Welcome to the most realistic birthday weekend vlog. Let me give you the tea on what's going on at the moment. We had a new house help who was supposed to join this morning who didn't show up and then called me 2 hours later and said she'd like to come in the afternoon. Like I have no other job in the world. There's a separate video where I'm giving you all of these life updates. So really, it's more of a rant, to be honest. Let me not get into that right now. I have somebody else who came and met me through a different source and they are starting tomorrow. Really hope they come. What else is going on? Jerry and I have plans for lunch because it is a Sunday today. It is the 16th of June. My birthday is tomorrow. It is a long weekend, but because of health reasons and because of some medications I'm on, I'm so sleepy and lethargic all the time. What was originally supposed to happen was supposed to be a verified launch that we were hoping to open pre-orders for tonight. We have had a delay in dispatch from the lab we're working with. And so there's about a 1 week to 10 day delay in when the product will go live. So it's probably around the corner from whenever this video goes live. I don't know, we'll figure it out. I'm wearing this kaftan a lot these days. Even when I pulled it out this morning, I was like, I need to reset my wardrobe to alternate the piles, which I haven't done in a while. But between taking care of the house physically, which has been a challenge for several reasons, launch work, my health, being on medication that's making me so sleepy and drowsy all the time, and content work also, I've just been all over the place. That's where the real sitch is at. We do have lunch plans today, but Jerry, are we realistically going, or are we just going to be lazy, nice, happy adults who don't feel the pressure of going somewhere just because it's my birthday? You did this on your birthday. Can I do this on mine? Can we just be...
It's completely up to you. It's your day.
Let's just be like lazy, stay at home, watch something, watch a movie.
If that makes you happy, that's probably...
Last night we were watching Bade Miyan Chote Miyan, the new one. By the way, I went to sleep. I didn't make it to the end, did I? Again, my meds make me sleepy. Was it nice? Was the climax any good? No, it was stupid. It was kind of stupid movie, even like as far as I watched it.
It cannot compare to the original.
The original is such a classic. Do you want to come sit in the frame? They're going to wonder why you're sitting there and talking.
I'm fine.
Come here.
No.
He likes to just talk.
I don't want to take away your spotlight.
Oh, come. I don't mind sharing my spotlight.
I don't want to. No. It's your day. I don't want
Just come.
I don't.
No, come. No, come.
Stop calling me like as if you're calling Nibbles.
I don't call Nibbles. I call Nibbles like that. Come now. They'll wonder why you're sitting like that over there and being an absolute weirdo. They don't know that you're actually a weirdo. Like, they don't...
I'm not a weirdo.
Sweetie, I love you the most in this world. Like, you are my favorite human. Yeah, but you're a weirdo.
I'm not a weirdo.
It's okay. You're my kind of weirdo. It's all good. As long as you're my...
Not a weirdo.
As long as you're my kind of weirdo, it's all good.
I'm not a weirdo. That's what he does.
Two Geminis married to each other. It's fun. On most days.
On all days.
On some days you want to kill me and I want to kill you. And
I never want to kill you.
On some days I want to kill you.
That's a different matter.
It's okay. Like, that's what marriage is all about. It's like keeping...
Wanting to kill each other.
No, like, yeah, on some days you get on my nerves. I don't literally want to kill you. But on some days you do get on my nerves. It is what it is.
That's intentional.
That's what I mean, right? On those days. And I'm sure there are days when I'm getting on your nerves too. You're sweating despite the AC being on. Have you taken a shower?
It's you, my love. You make me sweat.
Have you taken a shower?
Not yet.
Do you want to go take a shower?
I'll think about it.
I also mother this man a lot about showers, because if it was up to him, he'd shower at 6 PM and I'm the kind of person who doesn't get out of the room without a shower. Can you please go take a shower?
No.
And then if you go take a shower now, you come out and then we'll watch a movie together. And maybe we'll watch Dune, because you've been wanting to watch that. Dune 2. Okay, go take a shower. This is what I have to do, guys. This is like, people think, oh, you married an older man, 11 years older. Fuck that. I married someone who's a child. Go take a shower now.
No. No. No.
It's my birthday. You're going now? बैठ गया उधर, हाँ? शावर के लिए नहीं गया. ये और 3 बार होगा convincing, तब जाके नहाने को जाएगा. this is basically going to be, despite a birthday weekend, we literally had no plans except for lunch today, which we're clearly cancelling, right? Do you want to cancel the table then at Yawacha?
It's completely up to you. You tell me to cancel, I'll cancel.
Oh, Nibbles! My god, she gets jhatkas sometimes. That's her rocking the camera with the table. The other plan that we have is tomorrow's Eid actually. So tomorrow on my birthday, it's Eid. And there's lunch plans with the fam tomorrow. I might at some point, cancel it. It's okay. We were literally only going for the prawn chung fun because I love the crispy prawn chung fun at Yawacha. But it's okay, we'll go next weekend, we'll go another time. I feel like that whole pressure of must do something because it's your birthday doesn't exist in my head anymore. I'm like, you know what? I'm a tired, overworked adult who's turning 33. I would much rather rest and chill and laze. Like, that is my vibe. Because if I'm going there, I'm gonna have to dress up. I'm gonna have to at least change a little bit, do my hair. I may not do my makeup because if I allow that of myself, my hair definitely needs some sprucing to look a little bit.
You're very pretty.
Thank you.
She's so pretty, I can't leave you and go right now.
Just go for a shower.
I can't. I need
Gerard.
to see you.
Gerard.
See you.
Gerard. Go for a shower. Please go for a shower. Please go. We'll watch Dune. Dune. We'll watch Dune too. Go.
Sunday matinee?
Yeah, Sunday matinee. We used to do this. If you've been watching our videos for a while, my vlogs for a while, you know, on Sundays we like close our blackout curtains, turn this room into a mini home theater, cuddle up on this long couch. I've got a new chadar over here for time, like for just like.
We've got popcorn also now.
Yes, we've got popcorn because my usual sofa throw has gone and become a part of Nibbles' aerial bed. And so because of that, I called for another little doher type thing. I ordered it online, so I can leave a link for you down below. And yeah, those are all the updates that I want to give you right now, that I have right now, TBH. I have my birthday outfit for tomorrow sorted. If you've seen my outfit from scratch video, then you know about that. Today I'm just gonna spend time in this chill kaftan, which is by the way from a local indie brand page called Prana by Priyanshi. I'm leaving the handle on the screen for you, so definitely go hit her up if you're looking for some interesting kaftans. This one in particular I have really worn ever since I got my hands on it, and my mom was cleaning out her cupboard before leaving for Australia, right? She has another purple tie-dye-ish style, same shade of purple kaftan, which is slightly dressier, I think. I almost wanted to wear that and I was like, they look the same. Let me just keep that for later kind of a situation. Anywho, I have a client to coordinate things with. I know it's a Sunday, but like there's a video that I want to post today. I just need to close the details on that and take it live at 8 PM, obviously. Jerry, you want to call both our fathers before going for a shower? You want to take a shower and then come back and then we'll call them? Are you procrastinating on the shower, or are you just... you looking for reasons?
No.
It's Father's Day today. Okay, come, I'm calling the fathers. Let's call your dad first. Hi, Daddy. Happy Father's Day.
Oh, thank you very much.
Happy Father's Day, Dad.
Thank you. How are you all?
Good. What are you guys doing?
They're watching the news.
Yeah, just on TV. What else you can do? Yesterday we went to Chikku's.
Oh.
We had lunch there and then decided in the afternoon.
Okay.
Where's Mummy? How is she?
Mom is here.
Hi, Anna.
Hi, Mummy. How are you?
We are fine.
Hi, Mom.
How are you? Hi. What's your mom?
No, Goodlu. Chikku illa. Goodlu.
She said Goodlu only.
She was about to say Chikku. And then she changed it to Goodlu.
Mummy,
That's what she does.
Mummy, say hi to the vlog.
Hi.
Don't scold Mummy. She said Goodlu.
Don't scold, I'm studying with my wife.
क्या कर रहे हो आप?
TV देख रहे हैं.
What's for lunch?
Walaikum salam. Happy Father's Day.
Assalamu alaikum, Papa. Happy Father's Day.
What you doing?
I made
नहीं आई. Before we go any further into this video, I have something to share with you. You're about to see why I am so touched by everything that my husband and friends did for my birthday. We're about to dive into the surprise part of this video, but I want to do a quick beauty check-in, and I have a new launch to share with you that I want to do first impressions of. Dun-dun-dun-dun-dun. Let's give me a drum. That was a terrible drum roll. Drum roll, please. That was a better one. I have not one, not two, but 3 new moisturizers to try out from Aqualogica. I love how colorful this packaging is. I feel like it is so on brand for them to do fun packaging like this. They've come out with 3 variants of this new moisturizer. We have a 5 barrier hydrogel moisturizer that comes with 5 essential ceramides and avocado that's meant to strengthen and hydrate your skin. We have the Glow Plus Hydrogel Moisturizer that comes with papaya and vitamin C that again brightens and hydrates your skin. And we've got the Illuminate Plus Hydrogel Moisturizer with wild berries that adds luminosity and hydration to your skin. I think all of these color combinations are just so cute. Today, let's go ahead and try out the Glow Plus variant. It is calling out to me. Little disclaimer, just so you get better context into this first impressions mini review that I'm about to give you. I'm someone with very, very dry skin, and even though I have very dry skin, I feel like the hunt for a really good moisturizer, really good nourishment, hydration is perpetually on for me, because in the monsoon especially, I feel like I want to put moisturizer, but I'm also constantly feeling icky with moisturizer, and so my moisturizing routine, which I like to keep for twice a day, post shower and at night, has kind of completely shifted to at night. I live in Bombay. It is a very, very, very humid city. If this formula works for me for day wear, I'm going to be so happy, purely because I need a good lightweight, nice, nourishing, creamy, but non-icky, non-greasy moisturizer. I know I want a lot of things all in one, but I believe we can have it all. Let's go ahead and try this out. First things first, this packaging feels very, very luxe. It comes with a protective seal layer on the inside. Considering this product retails for $3.99, I feel like they've given it a very premium, very luxe kind of a vibe with the packaging. Now let's talk about the texture. The most important thing while doing a first impressions product review. Obviously, this feels very, very, very gel-like. If anything, these remind me of some of the very, very luxurious gel formulas that I've tried in skincare brands that would cost at least 10 times of this standard value. With an MRP of $3.99, I'm really, really surprised. I'm applying it on my body as well. This is a face and body product. It is a really nice and big size 200-gram tub, so it makes sense that you can apply this everywhere. I have to tell you, it goes on super smoothly in a sense that I can feel my very dry skin drinking this product up. The texture is very lightweight, no chip so far. I'm also going to go ahead and try this on my face. If you look at the way this is going on my face, you can see that it is giving me this very natural skin finish glow, like I drank a lot of water before sitting down to film this, and at the same time it's not looking oily or sweaty. It's just looking like a nice natural glow. I love that the texture is very non-greasy and that it's spreading very, very easily. These products, just like all the rest of the Aqualogica products, are fragrance-free, color-free, they're PETA approved, so they're completely cruelty-free. They're also vegan and also completely clean and free of phthalates, sulfates, parabens, and mineral oil. Let's go back and check my hands. This has gotten absorbed so quickly. This is my number 1 criteria if I'm going to apply something on my body in the day, because that chip wali feeling is a really, really big turn off for someone like me. Even though I have dry skin and I want my skin constantly hydrated and nourished, I still don't want to feel icky, and this one does not do that on the face or on the body, so it is getting a big fat thumbs up from me. If you want to get your hands on any of the variants from this range, you know what to do. I'm leaving links for you down below in the description section. The product is available with a 20% discount on the Aqualogica's own brand website if you go ahead and use the code ANAM2024. The product is also available on Amazon, Nykaa, and Flipkart. I'm leaving all the links for you down below in the description section. Thank you so much, Aqualogica, for partnering with me for a small portion of today's video. My first impressions feels very successful, and you guys know that irrespective of whether I'm tying up with a brand or doing something organically, all the opinions are my own, very, very honestly, and that's why I do a first impressions. If you want me to tell you how much I'll end up using these in my routine on a regular basis, go ahead and leave this emoji down below in the comment section. Maybe I'll come back and tell you in 2 weeks how often I'm using it, what I think of it, a more detailed review of sorts. For now, let's get back to my birthday surprise. Yeah, because my guess is right. Not me munching on dieting guys. Triplets. I love. You come here. Thank you.
How to be not more शीतल.
उसके बाजू वाला लोग हो गए ना.
Madam, please AC में रखो.
Look who came and surprised me with this whole stand and all this. By the way, I'm so impressed that these have. It's
With the
so
confetti
cute.
and the
Butterflies.
butterflies.
And we have Ria here. We were both surprised. And then we have Karishma, who's currently making. I was surprised and you were surprised.
I was very surprised.
You knew? Couldn't you tell me if you knew? I would have like worn a bra or like
These two.
like in any case, or like just done my hair a little bit. Like you came fully dressed up and I look like this in a ghar ka kaftan in my photos because we clicked some pictures. And Curry's over here making chai.
Any chai masala or elaichi.
What do you want?
Chai masala, no?
Chai masala?
Yeah, those are after.
चाय की पत्ती चाहिए कि चाय मसाला चाहिए?
Don't put any masala pasala.
I do have a separate chai masala, but it depends on what you're looking for. No, I have normal India Everest का मसाला चाय I have.
नहीं चाहिए but.
नहीं चाहिए?
No ginger finger, nothing. No bhai. Nothing.
Keep it in the office now so Nibbles doesn't destroy it. I'll shut. She will. Right now she's not, but she's like once she goes into Inquisitor mode na. Also, this set of very beautiful flowers, the first birthday gift that arrived earlier today, is from my adorable cousin Khalid, who sent it over to me from California. If you remember my US vlogs from last year, you remember who Khalid is. He was supposed to be here for my birthday, but he couldn't make it. But such a thoughtful thing for him to go ahead and send these. They're gorgeous. There is some kind of cleanup happening in my house without my involvement, and I am being told to change and dress up. So I'm wearing this new pink dress. I have
It's
been.
not approved, by the way.
You said it's cute. She said it looks like a
That's
nightie.
most important.
It's a kaftan. It's a chill kaftan basically, and I've been told to do some makeup. Apparently, I'm getting ready for some pictures, but मैं कल पैदा नहीं हुई हूँ. मैं कल पैदा होने वाली हूँ. Clearly, they're up to something, so I'm just following instructions at this point. I've been told to. I'm in my room. The door has been shut on me. I have been locked in. I have been told to do some basic glam, which is why I'm here. You're in a corner in this vague, slightly dark spot because a lot of things have been moved inside the room from the office. Please keep in mind we're currently house helpless, so there's a lot of cleaning that's pending. And since I've been told कि अपना थोड़ा सा हुलिया बना दो, because I was in a sleepy Sunday laze mode. What has happened? They have kept the table ulta, so my drawer is opening towards the khidki now. Where's the AC remote? What's going on? I need to figure this out. Jerry, can you please? Why are you opening the door like a chore?
I know, I thought you were talking.
Can you bring me the AC remote from the living room? I don't know where the AC remote in this room is. This whole room is upside down. I need to work on my glam, apparently. Why are you taking the balloons out?
It's the happy birthday balloon. You need pictures.
I'm telling you, they're up to something and I know it. Okay, let me tell you properly what's happening right now. They have thrown me inside the studio room, told me to get ready. Not too ready, but comfy ready, photo ready. I'm expecting that some other friends are coming home or my dad's coming with the kids or something like that. I really, truly do not know, so I'm just going with it because I appreciate the effort that they're putting in. I look a little bit dead because I wasn't feeling too well and I was in lazy mode and I got acidity today. Adulting, TMI, a little bit of everything. This is a beautiful kaftan dress that I ordered online a little while ago, thinking I would wear it also on one of the two days through my birthday. I'm gonna wear the birthday dress tomorrow. Hey guys, should I wear that dress instead? I mean, since they're doing something and since tomorrow is Eid, I'm definitely not wearing that dress tomorrow in the afternoon. Jerry?
Yeah.
Should I wear that dress that I made from my outfit from scratch?
Kasata.
Kasata? Should I wear that?
Yes, please.
Okay, then I'll get ready first and then I'll change into that. I have some time while they're doing like they're chilling, resting, whatever they're doing outside. I'm going to do my hair, do a little bit of very basic glam and talk to you soon. I'm being summoned to go see my cake, which is apparently stunning and breathtaking and God knows where is it? It's closed.
Open it.
Never. Are you serious? You got me for this? I almost left my makeup halfway. Where's the cake? But
What?
Nibbles come out, bichari jans and
then yeah, you can't keep her in there like
It is
that.
not airtight.
Madam,
You
you
were
wanted
saying
to finish.
how
I didn't know. I'm not always saying cake. How do I
Oh,
know?
bichari
My poor
Nalini
cat
said Jan
inside the box.
And I'm saying, how will she breathe? How will she breathe?
But where is the cake?
What cake?
Put it in the fridge.
Ah,
Be careful while opening the fridge, please. Left or right door?
right. No, but you have to open the right to open the fridge.
Ew, pretty.
Oh.
Be careful.
Lovely. Sandhya is a creative genius. No, she's really like beautiful, man.
Literally, the theme for the evening that Jerry gave everyone was to come along with one favorite food dish of mine. Somebody brought Nutella with Lay's, Mridul got me Pani Puri, Vishu got his nachos. Literally, everybody went out of the way of making sure I was having my favorite food, being surrounded by my favorite people. It was low-key, it was chill, it was wholesome, it was surprising because people kept coming and I didn't know who was coming. It was the best birthday bring-in ever.
And then the new mom has stepped out of the house for the
Did you realize?
Oh, new Dulhan also is over there. She just came back from a honeymoon last week.
Happy birthday to you.
Blow the candle.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Harun. Happy birthday to you.
Thank you, my friend.
Listen to cake in the
take a picture with Popo.
That's the ऊपर
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Harun. Happy birthday to you. You were born in the zoo.
It's probably true. Thank you, Mummy. Thank you. Thank you, Mummy. I miss you. कैसे हो? क्या कर रहे हो? हाँ बोले डैडी ने बोले यस डैडी टोल्ड मी हाँ जेरी ने सरप्राइज अरेंज किया था रात को तो हाँ रात से सब लेट निकले सब अराउंड 1-1:30 बजे रात को निकले तो हम भी लेट ही सोए I have been on calls non-stop since I woke up. Literally, I woke up, I put my phone off sleep mode manually today because I was like, I don't want to be woken up by the alarms or whatever just this morning because it is a lazy start to the day. My family is busy with Eid stuff in the morning, so I knew they, like I met them last night also, so I knew they weren't going to call. I knew Jerry's dad always calls in the mornings. Usually I wake up with that, but now daddy has started calling me a little bit later. My mum texted me from Australia earlier and she was like, text me when you're up. So that was the first thing I did in the morning. I replied to her. It has just been a whole lot of love since I woke up in the morning. Someone over here made sure I brought in my birthday with so much love also with all my near and dear ones. And it was just everything I could have asked for, to be honest. Today is going to be a chill day. Well, I thought yes, it was going to be a chill day too. Today is truly going to be a chill day. In the afternoon, we will head for Eid lunch because it is Bakrid today. We will go to eat lunch to my parents' place, right now dad's place. His mom's not in town, and I have at least 7 or 8 more calls to call back. So I'm gonna do that while I eat some cereal. One of my friends, so I know voiceover Anna must have told you about all the food stuff and theme and all that Jerry kicked for last evening. One of my friends sent over my favorite Nutella and banana crepes from Suzette. So once I have a little bit of cereal, I'm gonna go and warm that crepe up and eat it as well. Yeah, that's the plan. I shall get into callbacks now and talk to you soon. I'm getting scolded by my husband to finish my breakfast and then call people back.
Yes.
And everyone's calling me. See, I have a missed call from Gopali also. Everyone's calling me to. I'm eating and calling. Aww.
Happy birthday, dear Anna. Happy birthday to you.
Thank you. How are you? I'm gonna wear the AirPods again. It's easier. How are you? I'm good. How was Italy? मैंने बोला था ना दिल संभालना और पर्स संभालना. House of the Dragon. Guys, it's back and it's back today on my birthday. It should have gone live on Jio Cinema at 6:30 AM. If you are a Game of Thrones and franchise fan, this is huge. I have waited for season 2 with everybody else in the world for 2 years, I think. Jerry, 2 साल के बाद वापस आ रहा है ना? He's busy. We have a new house help that joined us this morning. So while I'm in birthday mode, Jerry's like, I'll take care of teaching her and training her the initial stuff. So he's doing that. House of the Dragon. House of the Dragon. The House of Dragons. The House of Dragons. House of the Dragon. What's the name of the show? I need to check it. Technicality. You get what I'm saying.
Hi, bro.
Hi.
Birthday.
Thank you. Why do you look like you're sleeping? Hi. Oh my god, what is the time? I need to do like a proper check-in for you guys because I feel like I haven't chatted with you in the last couple of hours. It is exactly 4:31 PM on 17th of June, my birthday. And I have basically been on calls for the last hour and a half. We watched the House of the Dragon episode and I finished it. And I think shortly after, I fell asleep. I woke up at around 2:30, I don't know. And I basically missed lunch at my dad's. I did call him and tell him that I wasn't feeling too well. I was tired, sleepy, groggy, alhamdulillah. And just, a little bit resting it out. So he sent lunch here, which basically has turned my fridge into even more of a Jenga game than it was because of the theme, like I mentioned earlier, of the food. In addition, I've received some really sweet packages. I feel like I should look at them and I should show them to you as well. I'm obviously not talking about PR. I'm talking about things for my birthday. So the Tiwari sisters I was on video call with in the morning. I think you guys only saw Gopali, but Janvi also joined later. Sent these beautiful roses along with Ferreros. They're so sweet. I love both of them. They're so adorable. Along with a very sweet birthday card. And a little note inside, but you know what? I think I always land up. I always say this. I have a box, a peti full of things with little words over here. They say, "Dear Anam, happy birthday to you, amazing human." As I always say, you are sharing like fine wine. I think she meant aging and it must have been a typo. See you super soon. Love from the Tiwari sisters. So sweet of them. Also, I have a cake over here that came from Dipti. Dipti is my ex-manager. I absolutely love and adore her. I was on the call with her also last night. So she sent over a cake. I have no idea where and how I'm going to fit things in the fridge, but I need to figure. I was supposed to go to Mom's, like I said, and I didn't. The other thing that I was going to do is actually figure and take this free evening and use it for work. Okay, so you're gonna think that I'm crazy, but I do this every birthday. every single birthday and every single 1st of January, I like to do things that I think I want to do all through the year. So I always leave some invoices and contracts to sign on 1st of Jan and on my birthday. So I need to sit for about half an hour, 45 minutes, and sign a contract and sign off a few invoices, because I feel if I start my year like this, then I will be doing this all year, which means business will be great all year, inshallah. So I think I'm just gonna freshen up some more, eat something, and in the next, like, it's 4:34 p.m. at the moment, so maybe around 5:15, 5:30 I will sit to work. And it might seem strange to some, but I absolutely have to do this every year on my birthday and on 1st of January. Those are 2 dates that are absolutely compulsory. I have spent so much time on calls today, and I'm feeling so like just loved and blessed, because like I'm talking to people that I talk to normally, but I'm also talking to friends I haven't caught up with, and instead of just doing message exchanges or 2-minute hi, how are you, happy birthdays, I'm actually like catching up with them, which feels very special. I turned 33, and to some that number might seem like, oh my god, I'm old, but in my head I feel like I'm just getting started with life. And I'm just so excited for the year ahead, to be honest. I also spent some time in the kitchen trying to help and train the new help, and I want to do like a little bit of safsafai in the bedroom. But I'll figure all of these things and come back to you a little bit later. Like, this is the more chill part of my birthday. I think all the fun things happened yesterday, and I like it like this. I think it's a good balance, na? Oh, thank you, my darling. I love you. It is 10:12 p.m. and I am about to retire early on my birthday, guilt fucking free. Thank you so much for watching this video. I've had the best, most wholesome birthday weekend. I got to hang out with my friends. I got to spend time with my family yesterday, albeit I did not go for eat lunch today. I had a great nap. I feel better. My migraines feel well rested. Should I come this side? Because the lighting this side is better. I am 33 years old and I am here for it. I love it. This whole story is just getting started and I can feel it in my heart. Alhamdulillah, alhamdulillah, alhamdulillah. Inshallah, this is going to be my best year yet. Or maybe not best year yet, but one of my best years yet. Or maybe should I say the beginning of my best years yet. I don't know, something on those lines. Send me good juju. If you made it so far into the video, the secret code for this video should be good juju only. That's the comment you need to leave down below. It's been a wholesome day. I honestly could not have asked for. Literally, I've had to charge my phone thrice today. I have been on video calls and phone calls all day, and I'm so grateful to everyone that has reached out to me, that has friends from Canada, Dubai, America. Everyone has not just done that social wala happy birthday, like everyone's gone out of the way to wish me, to be with me, to like I literally had a 1-hour catch-up call with my childhood bestie who lives in Gilly. I just got off a call with a friend who was road tripping back from Chicago to Kansas. I was talking to my mahu who lives in Texas. I've been on video calls all day. I was on calls for 1.5 hours with my best friend Jay, who lives in Dubai, and his adorable 2.5-year-old daughter Inaya. I was on video call with Simona, my best friend that lives in Toronto, with her son who's also 2, Sage, and he goes, happy birthday Anamashi, and then he didn't realize it was happy birthday first, so he started out with happy Mother's Day Anamashi, which is so cute. So like I've just had a great day, alhamdulillah. It hasn't been, I don't keep pressures of like have to go out, have to party, have to do this, have to dress up because it's my birthday. I've just followed my heart, which is what I like to do in life, and which is what inshallah I will get to do in life in the years to come. And it's been There's no other way to describe it except for just saying wholesome, wholesome, wholesome. I'm grateful. I feel loved. I feel grateful. I feel blessed. Alhamdulillah, alhamdulillah, alhamdulillah. I will never take any of the joys of my life for granted, because I've seen phases of different parts of these joys slip away over time, and I've worked to bring them back and earn them back, and I will never let them slip away from me for as long as I can. And just feeling good. Alhamdulillah. There is no other way to put it. You know, that place when you know your heart is just happy with where you are right now. It's just one of those feelings. I don't know if I'm doing it justice, whether I'm describing it accurately or not, whether my words are communicating that I'm just at peace today. And that's a mashallah, mashallah, mashallah. That's a feeling that I hope to hold on to for as long as I can. Yeah, that's where I am. It's been a while since I felt like this, you guys. I have gone through many days over the last year or two where I haven't felt like myself. And now that I feel like I'm finding myself again, I will not lose sight and forget who I am again. Yeah, I'm just gonna keep going on with cheesy, corny things to tell you, and I don't know if you want to hear that. Look at Nibbles over here sleeping like a little John. Like everything today around me has just made me happy. And I'm gonna stop being sappy with you guys. I love you. I love me. Like today I found myself saying that to myself. I love me too. A lot. And happy birthday to me. Happy 33. I am gonna see you in the next one. I love you. Bye.